Hello and welcome to the Elements Pay Plus price management tutorial. It can be found in the Getting Started section under Setting Prices. One of the more powerful features of Pay Plus is that it allows you to set prices for your currency and items in many different real-world currencies, and it will automatically select the correct price based on the user's location. Managing prices is very simple. On the Set Prices tab, I have a list of the current price points that I have for my currency, and below that I have a list of the current price points for my digital goods. In order to change these prices, the first thing I'm going to do is download an example CSV file. Here we see the example CSV file for currency prices. It has 6 columns. The first column simply says that I'm setting a price for currency, which is called a Forex offer. The second column is an external key, which has any string that I want to put in there to identify this price point. This will be sent back to me when a user makes a purchase so that I know what to give them. So this is my product code or my SKU code or whatever I call it. Then I have the amount and currency that the user will spend and the amount and currency that the user will receive. All I have to do to change my prices is to edit this file, and then I will upload the new prices. I've already created a file, and what I've done is I've changed the currency from demo coins to gold. I could also change the prices or the external keys, but I don't really need to do that for now. Here in Pay Plus, I'm going to click on the Upload CSV button, browse to the file that I've created, which is called My Currency Prices Example, and click on the Upload CSV button. The upload is completed, and you can see that the page has changed and I am now selling gold. This happens in real time. So if I click on the Test Paywall, I can now see I have prices and I am selling gold instead of demo coins. That's all there is to it to manage my prices. Now let's go back and let's change some item prices. The example comes with 2 digital downloads, each of which is priced in 4 currencies. Again, I could click the Download Example CSV, but I've already created a file that we can use. I've created a file that has my catalog items in it. It's very similar format to the currency. The first column simply says that I am offering an item. I'm selling 2 items. The first one is a men's coat, and the second one is a woman's coat. You'll notice that I have multiple rows with the same external key for the men's coat, and many rows for the same external key for the women's coat. This is so I can set different localized descriptions, and similarly I'm setting multiple price points for each item. So here I have a men's coat selling for $49.99 USD, and I have an image that goes along with that, which points to my men's coat JPEG. If I want to add more price points, I simply fill in the price point columns. So I'm also going to sell this for 1650 Brazilian real, 1650 Mexican pesos, and 39.99 euros. If I want to give different local descriptions, I can set the language and the description. So this is the Portuguese translation to men's coat, the Spanish translation, French, and German. And I've done the same thing for the women's. In order to upload this, all I do is click on the Upload CSV button, find my file, which is called My Item Prices, and upload it. You'll see now that I have the 2 items, my men's coat and my women's coat, with multiple price points. And that is how you manage prices in Elements Pay Plus.